Hello guys, this is Shudipta here. Welcome to my channel. Let me first start by saying that I'll be giving you one way to avail a free voucher to appear in a Microsoft certification exam. A free voucher for Microsoft certification exam, and this voucher is being provided by the Microsoft itself. So I'll let you know how you can avail that voucher and appear in the exam. Okay, so basically you all know that Microsoft is one of the biggest company. It comes in the top 10 uh, global company, right? And apart from making softwares, Microsoft also has a significant footprint in cloud computing or providing cloud infrastructure for the other companies, right? So they have so Microsoft has um, one service or one product through which it provides all the cloud infrastructure. Its name is Azure, Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure is also a big name in the cloud industry. It is almost comes along with Amazon AWS, right? So Microsoft Azure has many certification courses and exam which you can apply, like Azure Fundamental Exam, Azure Solution Architect, like that. You can just type in Google uh, to get those certification details. Microsoft certificate Azure, right? So here you can see the all the certification, uh, list of certification that Microsoft has. So these are the list of certification. Microsoft certified Azure fundamentals, 365 certified and Azure developer associate, Azure SAP worker specialist, um, like that, right? There are many certification courses that Microsoft provides, right? So during this COVID session, Microsoft is also giving you an opportunity to avail a voucher, by attending their training session, right? Their events. So Microsoft is conducting training sessions for Azure, and if you attend those training session and complete the training thoroughly, with the full hours, by giving your full time on those training, at the end of the training, Microsoft will give you one voucher for free. Using that, you can appear in this exam, Microsoft certified Azure fundamentals. So this is the exam which is the basically basic, about the Azure. You will get to know about Azure, basic about the Azure, how it works, what are the services are available in Microsoft Cloud, um, like overall view of Azure, Microsoft Azure, you will be able to get to know if you study this certification courses. uh, so without delaying, let me give you the information through which you can actually attend those training, right? So in Google you type Microsoft events for Azure. So we have to go to this event page, Microsoft Azure events, and there you will see all the events are listed, right? Now from that event you have to find out which is giving this Microsoft Azure virtual training day fundamentals. So this is the training which you have to attend. So if you open this training, so it is already full. So this slot is full, but there are many slot available. If you just type in fundamentals here, like fundamental, right, and then click on that, so you will see all the fundamental upcoming trainings are listed there. So you have to search which slots are available, and if it is available, then you just book that slot and be ready to attend that training session. So once you complete the training within 1 week, Microsoft will provide you the voucher. See, this is what it is written. See, to create your vision tomorrow, you need to understand that cloud can do what you can do in your company today, right? So here, so a software as device. So during this free virtual event, you will learn common cloud concept benefit. This is this. It also says somewhere that, yeah, this is here. So storage security basis, by attending this event you will have the knowledge needed to take this fundamental certification exam and receives a voucher to take the exam for free. See, this is what the line I was telling. So the you received a voucher to take the exam for free at a date and time of your choice. So basically this, if you complete this training session, they will provide you the voucher, and with that voucher you can appear for the exam. uh, Now you decide on, you just keep on checking which date is free, and based on that you can mm, uh, take this training. Okay, so that's all for today. So they have been doing this training for last 3 months. So we have given all the schedule for till August. So after August also they will be providing uh, more trainings, so you can just keep on searching on this. Okay, so that's all from my end. So do study Azure and see if you can clear this certificate examination. Thanks for watching my video, and keep if you like this, please like it, and then do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.